Once you get the idea that feedback should cause thinking, there are lots of possible techniques you might use. So for example, on the final draft of a piece of writing, you might put a dot in the margin every time that something that needs to be changed. For weaker students, you might put an S for a spelling mistake, G for grammar, P for punctuation, but the important point is the feedback leaves work for the students to do. Rather than saying you failed to use BIDMAS, brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction for the order of operations, rather than saying just you failed to use BIDMAS, how about in 3 of these calculations, you haven't used BIDMAS correctly. See if you can find them and fix them. In this paragraph, there are 2 places where you haven't used the correct definite article in German, der, die, das. Please find them and fix them. In this essay, there are 5 places where it would be more appropriate to use specialist language. I've highlighted 2 of them. See if you can find the other 3 and supply the appropriate language. The idea is that we can scaffold students, we can make it more or less supportive in terms of our feedback, but by actually making sure that feedback always leaves work for the students to do, we make it far more likely that they engage in the feedback because it's not so much an evaluation, it's more an indication of what they need to do to get better.